quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Since it has been super hot in England recently and I'm going away in a week and a half, we're going to Seville for my birthday, I thought I would do a cheeky little summer try-on haul just to show you some pieces that I have picked up mainly from H&M and ASOS. I think that's where everything is from. I will link everything in the description below and we are going to get straight into it. So the first outfit, since I'm already wearing it, is these pajamas. I got this little cami top and shorts from H&M, really nice matching set. I usually just sleep in a t-shirt, but I really like this just for summer because it gets really hot at night and it's nice to have something a bit more airy and comfortable, but it still like looks okay if you have to answer the door. So this is what it looks like from the back. Just really simple, and for the price I think it's really lovely quality. So the next item is this swimsuit, at least I think it's a swimsuit, from H&M. Absolutely love the back. As you can see, it's got like this crisscross detail and it does come up quite snug here, and it's just a really perfect fit. And then I like that obviously got the low back and then it's plungy at the front, but not like over the top plungy. It's just kind of like a little bit, so there's not too much going on. I really love the design as well. It's kind of like plants and flowers, and it is like a swimsuit material, but I'm sure you could just wear it like as a body as well with shorts. Okay, so these shorts are also from H&M. I got them in a size 10 because, let's not joke, I don't think I could fit into a size 8 anymore. And I just really love them. They are your kind of classic short denim shorts. They're maybe slightly big on the waist, but they fit really well around the bum. They are just really flattering. They have like the frayed edges, which is quite nice. Like I said, I just thought it looked really cute with this swimsuit because of the low back. So yeah, I really love these shorts. Again, super affordable. I'll link them below if I can find them. I'm just so happy to have found some summer shorts that actually fit me properly. They may not be the tightest around the waist, but when you sit down and you've eaten, like, they're absolutely perfect. So definitely comfort over tightness this summer, at least for me anyway. Then, just to show you one of the vest tops I got. This one still has the tag in and will probably look really odd with a swimsuit, but I just want to show you the top with the shorts. I feel like having a little white cami, again, like flowy and not tight fitting, is a must for summer. It looks lovely with a tan and it's really breathable and light. You can throw on over a bikini top or a swimsuit, or with a bra or no bra. Yeah, imagine it without the crisscross back, and it still has the tag in, but it's just one of those like basic white vests, and I really like it. I think it's actually H&M conscious, so it's more like ethically made. And let me just show you the really lovely detail on it. So you can imagine it in a bikini top. You can obviously see your skin through this bit. Nice and flowy, light and airy, because comfort is key. So now we have a classic summer dress. This is from ASOS and I just absolutely love it. It's just something everybody needs. It's bloat friendly. It is really light and airy again. It's a nice white to go with the tan, and it's just really easy to throw on, again, like in the day, in the evening, over a bikini. It's just a really lovely fit. It does have this nice detailing, almost like little holes all over it, which I really like, just to give it a bit of texture and something a bit more interesting. This one I'm definitely going to wear when we're like exploring Seville. I would also pair it with these sandals that I am absolutely obsessed with. I got them a few weeks ago. They look like this, and they are from a brand called Blowfish, but I got them from Office and I am just so obsessed with them. They are the comfiest sandals I've ever worn in my life. They don't rub anywhere. They were comfy from day one and they continue to feel more comfortable, and I just absolutely love them. They are a vegan brand, I believe, so they feel really good quality, but they're not like real leather or anything, obviously. Yeah, I just absolutely love them. They don't get smelly or anything. I am just so done with buying cheap sandals because I just feel like I wear them a couple of times, bin them, and then buy more. whereas I think these were £40, but we got some student discount off them. And they are well worth the money because I know I will get so much wear from them. I have already, and then when we're away, we're also going to Croatia in August. I just feel like these will be amazing. Then to complete the outfit, I also have this really cute bag, which is from Accessorize. I bought it the other day. It is this like nudie, like light pink colour, and it is the perfect size for fitting in like your phone, your keys. My vlogging camera fits in there, which is perfect, and a few other key bits. Like, you can't fit like a water bottle, but it's a really nice like evening bag. This is what it looks like up close, just really simple with a zip, and just one that will go with like nearly all of these outfits that I'm showing. Just a really simple bag. I never put a shoulder bag on this side. Isn't it weird how you get so used to one side? But yeah, if you are looking for a summer bag, I would highly recommend Accessorize. I have another one from there that I will show you in a minute as well. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this bikini. It is again from H&M, and I really love it. I have one similar in red from a few years ago, but this one is obviously in white, which is difficult to get on and off if you've got makeup on, but again, really lovely with a tan, and I just absolutely love this one. I don't think that the bikini bottoms are the most flattering ever, but I absolutely love the back of the top, so I am perfectly fine with it. And you can buy them separately, so you could always like just get the top if you just liked the top, but I thought it was really cute. Then I also got these shorts, and again, makes a really cute little outfit if you're somewhere where it's appropriate to walk around like this on the beach, or even certain parts of a city break. They are from H&M, as is nearly everything, and high-waisted, super floaty and airy, which is a common theme in this video, and I really like the design. They have like sort of gold leafy style print, a little bit vintagey, but I thought it was super cute. So I'm really, really happy with these, and I've already worn them a couple of times as well. It is literally getting so hot in here, but I can't open the window because then you'll hear like the traffic and all the London noise. The next outfit is also H&M shorts. Again, quite similar to the first ones. They're slightly less baggy and floaty, but really cute polka dot, just a nice elasticated waist. And then the top is another white cami from H&M, but this one is like tight at the waist, so it's got like this shirred bit here that just cinches in at the waist, which is really cute. It looks like this from the back, and I just think this is a really cute monochrome outfit. I really like the detailing on the top as well. It's got like these lacy bits here, so it's a little bit more interesting and can make things a little bit more dressy as well. And I would pair that with the second bag I bought from Accessorize, which is this white one, slightly bigger than the last, so it can fit more in, so you can pack your trusty water bottle and a book and anything else you might need. Yeah, I really, really love this one. It also has the option to remove the straps, and you can just carry it by the shorter handles, which are inside. It's got this little popper and a middle zip pocket as well for your more valuable items. But yeah, really, really nice day bag, and it goes with pretty much everything in summer because it is white. Then for footwear, obviously the sandals would work perfectly, but I did buy these cute little wedges from Next, of all places, which I always think is a bit of like an old lady's place, but comfort again is key, and these are the most comfortable shoes ever. So they look like this, and then from the side they are quite like a low wedge, so they're not super high, which means that they are good for the daytime, and they have this little buckle here. They are honestly so comfortable. It says in them Next Forever Comfort, and they're all squishy and just amazing, so you can wear them in the day, or they would dress up an outfit a little bit more for the evening, just so you've got a little bit more height. I am quite short, so I need that. And again, they're not like cheap like in Primark or New Look, but I feel like they were super affordable for what they are. I think they were £40, and again, for comfort and quality, I highly, highly recommend. We have two more outfits. Let's do this. This outfit is a little bit more dressy, so I'd wear it in the evening, and it is this play suit from Pretty Little Thing, but I'm pretty sure I got it off ASOS. And it's got this really cute like frilly detail around the bottom of the play suit, and it's got some really lovely detail on the back. It's quite hard to do on your own, but it has like a little tie here, and it's got a really low back, and it's elasticated, so it's really easy to get on and off, which is perfect for a play suit. and I just think it's going to look super cute again with that little bag earlier, that pink one, and some wedges or sandals. It is kind of a silky texture. Oh, I wish I had pockets. And voila, perfect with the bag. The final outfit, which I think is super cute for day or evening, are these, again, H&M shorts, which are really basic. I think they came in like extra small to extra large, so they're not in like normal sizing, but really light and airy, comfortable, and they have pockets, which is always fun, and I really like this detail that can come up over the top because it looks really nice with this bandeau top, for example, which is just a plain black basic from Topshop, I think a few years ago, but I'm sure that you can find these everywhere. And yeah, I just really love it. It's really simple, really comfortable. You could pair the shorts with kind of any top really in any colour, and this with the white wedges and a little bag is just absolutely perfect holiday outfit. Oh, and I did buy one more thing, which is this headband from ASOS, which I don't know if it would really go with this outfit, but maybe with the plain white dress. Let me just show you. I feel like it would look so much better with your hair down, but you get the picture. It's good to keep your hair out of your face when it's hot, when you're sunbathing, and it's a nice way to dress up an outfit. And that is everything I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it gave you some summer wardrobe inspiration, some ideas on where to buy some things if you are living in the UK. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click the subscribe button for loads more content and to see our next holiday. And I hope you all have an amazing summer and summer holidays, and I will see you in the next one.